Well, hold on, aren't we videoing our new friend, the worm?
Can I see it?
Look at the worm.
Whoa, that is a super worm, Abba.
Yeah.
Go see the worm? Go see the worm. Go see the worm.
When you're going to stop it?
I don't know. Let's see how high it can go.
Okay.
Go see the worm, maybe. Look, Abba.
Oh, that bad. You're not going the way your finger is. Does that tickle, Abba?
No, it does not.
Why?
Maybe he doesn't like my cologne.
Doesn't. Mommy!
Yeah. Josh, MJ, we found a card of yours.
Oh, must have fallen out of my pocket.
He's trying to put color on it with a stick.
Face! Mom, face. I will keep it for you.
MJ, look. Should I return him back to nature?
Yeah.
Okay, come. Let's put him back. I don't know, but we should put him away, right? Oh, he fell down.
Where is he?
He's on the floor. Come, let's put him somewhere safe where children won't accidentally step on him.
He's eating it.
Come, we're gonna put him in a leaf, and we're gonna put him in this area. Poof! Bye-bye, worm.
Bye-bye.